This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by collecting the raw clues that point to your song. First, write down any lyrics, hummed melodies, tempo feels, or unique instruments. These are searchable fingerprints. Then, check listening histories, app recognizers, and file metadata. Make sure to export timestamps if available. Once done, organize items into short lists: lyric lines, melodic fragments, and context, time, place, playlist. This setup speeds every next step. It converts vague memory into precise search terms that yield results. Now you run layered searches to converge on the right track. Use audio recognition apps for exact matches, hum to search when you only remember tune fragments, and lyric search for partial words. Try all three together. If those fail, filter by BPM, key, or distinctive instruments on specialized databases and community forums. Explain your fragments clearly. Once you get candidates, compare release date, artist region, and genre to prioritize leads. This multi-angle approach reduces false positives and narrows options fast. Finish by verifying the best match with an official release or high-quality audio clip. Make sure metadata like artist and track length align. If uncertainty remains, post a short, clear clip in context to dedicated communities. Timestamp the moment you hum and describe instruments. If searches fail, troubleshoot. Re-record your hum in a quiet room, try a different recognition app, clear caches and permissions, and repeat. These steps confirm accuracy and rescue the search when noisy data or app issues block results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.